Hello, grade 12. Welcome back to the channel, Science Therapy, hosted by the one and only science therapist, Uabutiwa Sos Ugobela Wemet. And without any further ado, let's look at these questions that we have got here. Okay, so we are given question 9. We are still on proving theorems. It says in the diagram, O is the center of the circle. A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. As we can see, all the vertices are on the circumference. Then it says, use the diagram in the answer book. We want to use this one to prove the theorem which states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. That is, prove that angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180 degrees. So now we are proving the theorem that says that the opposite angles of a cyclic quad are supplementary. So that starts with our construction. So we have to show that construction will be A to O, which is a radii, and then O to C, which is also another radius. So OA, OC, radii. Then on our construction, we have to tell them. So this is construction. So you don't just construct, you also need to tell them what you did. So draw radii I, OA, and OC. Remember, radii I is a plural for radius. So OA is a radius, OC is a radius. So we've drawn those two radii. And then now at this point, we start with our proof. So we're going to say proof. And then let's now begin. So at this point, let's indicate that this will be our O1 here. And then this here will be our O2. Remember, you have this answer book, so you can indicate those angles there. They will be able to see it from your diagram. Then now say O1 is equals to twice the angle B. So what are we using? We are using the theorem that says an angle at the center will be twice the angle at the circumference. So that's subtended by the same arc AC. Arc AC subtends O1 at the center, and the same arc AC subtends another angle at the circumference, which is B. So that means angle at center equal to 2 times angle at circumference, right? And then that's why O1 is equals to 2B. But then again, our O2, angle O2 is equal to twice the angle D. So if you are looking at it from this side, arc AC subtends an angle at the center, which is O2, but arc AC again subtends an angle at the circumference, which is angle D. So the angle at the center will be twice the angle at the circumference, right? So that means, again, the same reason, angle at center equal to 2 times angle at circumference, right? But then remember that angle O1 plus angle O2, since these are angles around a point, they would have to give us 360 degrees. So you say revolution angle. So it's a revolution angle, or you might say angle at a point. So angles at a point. Then again, we have the 2B plus the 2D must give us 360 degrees. Remember, the 2B is the same as expressing O1, and the 2D is the same as expressing what? The O2. So they still go for the same reason, revolution angle, right? But then looking at this, remember that we can factor out the 2 here. We factor out the 2, we'll have angle B plus angle D is equals to 360. We want the value of angle B plus angle D. Let's divide both sides by 2. Then that means angle B plus angle D will have to give us 180 degrees. But if angle B and angle D gives us 180 degrees, we have just proven the theorem that states that the opposite angles of a cyclic quad will always be supplementary. By supplementary, we mean that they will add up to 180 degrees. Hence, we were asked to prove that angle B plus angle D will amount to 180 degrees. And that's how you go about proving that theorem there. So make sure that you play the video as many times as possible and just try to understand this theorem here. Ciao, ciao.